Okay, that's the train in Macau. This goes through Taipa, but later it'll go all the way through the whole city. So a little bit getting to be nighttime, but look at that skyline. Whoa. So we're gonna try to capture a little bit of the train line as we can. I'm waiting for one right now. It's gonna be here in a few minutes, and we're gonna be going towards the airport. And I'll show you what I can show you as we go. So stay tuned for that. We'll watch this train go out before we do our intro. Little slice of Macau. Documenting the city, seeing what it looks like in 2024. Come on, join me. So we're in something called Keikok Station. Galaxy Casino's right there. And then you can see our traffic coming through here. And we're overlooking Taipa. So over there is Taipa Centro. And over here is Taipa Village. So you can see Taipa Village down that way a little ways. We're going to be catching our train, and let me just kind of show you. It says it's in 2 minutes, so there's a little thing right there, 2 minutes and 10 minutes going to here. I'm actually going to go to the Taipa ferry terminal, but as you can see, there's Taipa ferry terminal, airport, Must University. These are all Kotai strip places. Keikok is where we are now, and then now it goes all the way to Bara. So they just added a new station, the Bara station, that's on the other side. So stay tuned. We'll catch the train as it comes in. So you can try to see our train in the distance coming in. Okay, so that's the window to the front. Okay, so that's the Galaxy Casino right there, and we're going to be going through some different casinos as we go by. Galaxy Arena right there. Another train. There's Studio City on this side. So this side you can see Studio City and Grand Lisboa, and we're at East Asia Games. Parisian at MGM coming up here. Okay, so we've arrived at the last station, which is the ferry terminal. Immigration is over that way. It's a little bit too dark on the train to actually show you what it all looks like on the route, but I have another video called End to End, where I went from one end to the other. It took about 30 minutes, and I talked about everything that's on the way. So, and it was a much better view as well. But anyways, if you haven't seen the train at all, that can be a little something for you just to get an idea of it. So now we're at the last station, the ferry terminal station. I'll show you how we're gonna get out. But I have this little Macau pass thing. And all you do is just take it like that. And it was 5 miles. Let's head on out. And there's a ferry terminal over there. Okay. So we'll end it here. Documenting the city, seeing what it looks like in 2024. Come on, join me.